On today's episode on WarpDriveM, we should receive the X3 from the frame rack, and we are going to install the shelves that we need in the first unit that we have. And I'm pretty sure this video is going to be all over the place, so let's start by installing the shelves. The guy should be any minute here, and after that I'm pretty sure we are going to receive the X3 X3. Oh my god, I'm mixing German and English. So let's start the video. Finally back, finally after 2 weeks I think. Everything is straight, as you can see. The crash bar fits, everything fits. The hood now, if you close it, I'm not going to close it now, but it's going to align with the fenders in there, in here as well. We have new hinges on this side. The new one is installed. The other one, the guy that fixed the frame said that this one was not really bent, so that's why we can send the other one back. In here we have all new parts, so everything fits, goes nicely and straight into the frame. In here, this is a nice repair, as you can see. Nothing to see in here, in fact nothing to see because everything is straight. The bolts lines up, the plate is welded back. We have some wax coming out from here, from these holes. The holes are the same shape everywhere, so everything is fixed and painted, of course, till here somewhere. The guy told me that this side was a little bit off as well. It was too high, so it pulled everything, so the car now is straight. Now we can start reassembling the car. I hope I have all the parts. I'm missing just the left headlight. The right one we have, and till we receive the other parts, I think I'm going to install the lock in here, the new cable that we have. This crazy condenser from the climate control is tight. It doesn't leak anything. We've checked and we have pressure and it's full. So it's going to hold. So it's going to remain sadly like this. It's bent, but I don't want to touch it. Maybe it's going to crack. So that's why it's going to remain in here as is. I'm going to have to take a few parts out in order to install these air channels in here in the front. And I've noticed that we have some water leakage under the car, and I've checked and we have a broken thermostat housing, so we need to replace that as well.
Last night in my dreams, walking the streets, a summer old ghost town.
complete. We have the new fog light on the left. We have the new wash system. We need the cover in here. It's going to plug into the washer. We have the lower grill. Perfect. We have the upper grill. This one I didn't plug it in because we still have the crack in here, and I don't want to put it in there till everything is done because I'm going to receive the new ones. But other than that, the sensor, it's in here. We have the new number plate support, and we are missing this cover in here, and pretty much that's about it. Now let's move on in the front of the car. Let's fix some stuff in here. We have a lot of progress. Everything in the front is put back together. We set the hood, the height and everything. See that? Perfect. Perfect with the fender, perfect on the corner, in here as well. In the front everything is done. We have this headlight. I cannot install this because I have to replace this hose, and for this I have to, I think, to remove the fender. Maybe I can remove only this cover in there, and I can take this one out. We have the original one in here. I'm waiting for this headlight, and we can put the front bumper. We have the front bumper in here. It's completely done. We have the new fog light. We have the new grills. We have the new washer pump. Everything is done. We fixed the cables in here. We have the sensor. I just have to put this one back, and we are done. We are done. Airbag side, I removed the driver's airbag. We need a new one, and we need the cable as well because this one is melted. See that? It's completely melted in there, so we need the plug. In fact, the cable completely. We have the part number in here. I just have to find the part number for this one, and we are good to go. I'm really happy with the progress. It's now straight. It's almost complete. I'm waiting for the dash and the airbags. We have to remove the dash, of course, but that will be for the next episode for sure. I think I'm going to close the video in here. Follow me on the next episode if you want to see the journey on this one. If you like this episode, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, as usual, thumbs down. Until next time, see you later.